Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up on the video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to replace, this is the front headlight, and this is on the passenger side. You can probably see there that it's cracked on the bottom as well. And I got this replacement on eBay, so you can kind of see how the connections are in the back. Looks like they cut some of the wires, but I think they're just connections that you pop in and out from here. See how I probably pop it out and loosen it up from this tab. On this one, I'm not sure what this is and why they cut it out. It might be from the upper one, but I'm gonna check. So the first step that you do is, I don't know if you noticed here, I have the hood up. These tabs, you pop them straight out. Basically, you pull them straight out, and then the headlight would come off. Okay, and you can see here the light is already taken out. Just wanted to show kind of like how those things are. You basically just pull them out from each side, and then that connection is basically, it goes through the bottom. I don't know if you can see there, and it comes out from here on the top. That one goes into this. That's where it's at, and you basically have to just pull the cable out through the bottom and then take it out. Now I'm looking at the other one. I'm trying to find out where that is from, because if you look at the replacement one, it has this weird cable thing that's connected to that, but the original doesn't have it. So that's kind of weird, but I guess you don't need it then. I'll just put that on the side. But you basically pull the light out and it'll come out, and I'm just gonna get this cable out of the way to pull it out completely. Okay, and I just wanted to show where that cable goes. I don't know if you remember, that's this cable here. And it plugs in to the top part here. It basically goes under this black thing and then goes through and comes out through here. So it's kind of like a little bit of struggle, but it does go through. You just gotta keep at it. And then now it's to put the new one in its place. So I have the cable ready. I'm just gonna swap it out. Okay, so there's the headlight put back on. You can see there, and I did remove the top part of this just to have better access, but you can see the cable. I decided not to pass it underneath that black thing and just connected it straight on through there. It was just hard enough getting it through the bottom of that thing. So let me know what you think about the video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to Robert's Video Machine. Give me a thumbs up and like the video. Thank you very much.